All right, let's see what this thing can actually do. Step 1, the unboxing. Exciting stuff, right? Yep, it's a vacuum in a box. Inside, you get the main unit, a filter, tubes, hose, and enough attachments to make you feel like a pro cleaner, even if you're not. Honestly, it's more complete than some toolkits I've bought. Let's put it to the test. First up, suction. Straight on my arm, and wow. This thing pulls harder than my Wi-Fi when 5 people are screaming at once. I mean, if it can hold onto my skin like that, imagine what it can do to dirt. But enough of my arm. Time for a real challenge. Coffee on the sofa. Yes, I sacrificed perfectly good coffee for this demo. One press of the trigger and boom, gone. Like it never happened. If only it worked on embarrassing texts too. Moving on, let's head to the car. First, the seat. I sprayed it down just to bully this vacuum. Because let's face it, that's what kids do to your car anyway. And look at that. It slurped it clean like a milkshake. Then the carpet. From landfill filthy to showroom ready in seconds. Honestly, it's like having a car detailer living in your garage. Now for the 3-glass challenge. 1 clean water, 1 dirty water, and 1 packed with stones. Yeah, actual stones. Most vacuums cry if they see crumbs. This one just swallowed rocks and asked for seconds. If your old vacuum saw this, it would probably retire out of shame. But wait, plot twist. It's not just a vacuum. Switch the hose around and suddenly it's a blower. Leaves on the patio? Gone. Dust in the garage? Gone. That BBQ you swore you'd clean last summer? Yeah, gone too. Basically. It blows harder than your neighbor's excuses for not returning your tools. Finally, let's clean the vacuum itself. Because what's worse than a dirty house? A dirty vacuum. But don't worry. No messy bags, no ridiculous steps. Pop it open, quick rinse, filter fresh, job done. Honestly, easier than convincing me to do laundry. So there you have it, the Hetch V10. Wet mess? Easy. Dry mess? Sorted. Need a blower? Done. It sucks, it blows, it even cleans itself. Basically, the multi-tool your old vacuum wishes it was.